say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the...
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. It was mainly inspired by my outfit that I'm wearing today, which later on in the video I will tell you what it is. And also it's more of like a sunset vibes. And yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Oh my gosh, I got the Wet n Wild lip scrub, so I'm gonna use that right now. So it looks like this. It's limited edition. It doesn't taste very good. I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and then I will be back to do this eye because I'm not 100% sure on what I'm doing yet, so I will be right back. This is what I have come up with. I was inspired by my shirt and my shoes. I don't know if I can show you. I got these off of Fashion Nova. That is such an awkward thing. They're called Electric Wave Booties if you guys want to go check those out. These are super cute, super comfortable, so yeah. And I also got this top from Fashion Nova as well. This top and these shoes, they were having their 14 million followers discount, so I got 40% off my purchase. These boots are originally $45. The shirt was I think like $8. So I got these both for $38 including shipping. I was inspired by my outfit, and I was heavily inspired by my pressed foil pigment that I had recently got. We just got these in our store, I'd say like a week and a half ago. And they are the Touch and Soul metallic sparkling foil pigment, and this one is in Sun. So they look like this. I had heard that Touch and Soul, some of their products aren't very good, and like everybody was like shook by how good these were. Swatch wise, I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. Like, I am shook, and this is what it looks like. These are $18 I believe. And yeah, so heavily inspired by my outfit and this shadow. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this eye took me too fucking long because of the fact that I suck at liner, especially like the NYX liner. They do crack, and you do kind of have to work a little fast with them. I did line it right there, so it took me about 20 minutes to do that. We're gonna start off by heading into the James Charles palette. Right string. And we are going to be going in with this red right here, and I'm going to be using a Morphe 330 brush. I'm just going to be dabbing this and just making sure I'm spreading it pretty evenly, because if I add a lot in just one spot, then it's just going to look very patchy, so I don't want that. Are dry as fuck. Excuse that. I'm already gonna go ahead and start to blend out these edges because this eye always turns out worse than this eye. So I'm just gonna try to prepare myself in advance with this eye. As you can see, I'm definitely not adding a lot of pressure, and I'm just really letting that shadow do the blending for me. So this is the desired like blown out look that I want. I'm gonna go in with the M562 from Morphe, and I'm gonna be grabbing the orange shade from this James Charles palette and dipping into that. I'm going to be placing that right above those edges. With that white shade from the James Charles palette. And I am basically going to be baking my brow bone, which this helps with if you went a little too high for your liking on with your eyeshadow. And this is going to do the same effect of like baking like your bronzer, like that type of thing. So yeah, I can go back in with the M506. I'm going to go in with this plum shade right here. I'm going to be carving out my cut crease with this shade. And this is going to help the shade, like the cut crease, pop a little more. You see how like I'm basically like drawing my cut crease? We're just going to do that. I didn't think that was dark enough, and then I didn't really see any of those shades that I thought would complement the look. So I went into the Life's a Drag palette and I went and used Snatch, which is like a more of like a plum color. It's like a brighter plum, and I didn't really see a color like this in that palette. I'm gonna go ahead and do my cut crease real quick, and then I will be right back. So now I'm gonna go in with the M506, my bad. And I'm gonna go in with Snatched. And I'm really just gonna pack on this color right on those like edges of the concealer, and then I am just gonna start to blend. But now I'm gonna go in with this little Coastal Scents brush, and I'm gonna go in with the yellow from the James Charles palette. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start to pack this on. I also did dip into the Life's a Drag palette for that campy yellow as well, and I use that more on like the end of the cut crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the M506 and just kind of blend that all together. I don't recall. I'm gonna go in with that Touch in Soul Sparkling Foiled Pigment, and I'm gonna just grab it on my ring finger, and whatever's on like that clear cap that keeps it pressed, I am gonna use whatever's on that and press this on my lid. I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Vivid Brights liner. Just pray to God that I don't have to do this eye 3 different times. I'll see you guys in the next clip. I did it, bitches. Y'all doubted me. Y'all fucking doubted me, and I felt that shit. I felt that energy. I felt that hatergy. So basically, I'm just gonna be using the M506 brush. I'll be going in with that red, tapping off all the excess because we don't want fallout at this point. And I'm just gonna be rubbing that down here. Now with a bit of concealer, a bit more, I am going to go ahead and put it right under where I blended all that, and just kind of help it not be so low. And yeah. Alright, I went ahead and applied my highlight and everything. For my inner corner, I applied the French Fizz from the Laura Geller Dripping in Gold palette. And then for the rest of my highlight, I used Golden Honey. Then for my lips, I used the Anastasia lip palette. And I can point out what colors I used. At first, I did use, I think it's 2, which is this shade right here. And then it was a bit too dark for the look because of how warm and like red it is. So then I went ahead and added number 7, which is this like, it's like a red but way lighter than a red. And I just put that on top, and then it lightened it a lot. So now I think I'm gonna add a bit of a darker plum color on my lower lash line just to make this white pop more. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and please subscribe down below just to make sure that you see more videos like this. If you guys are more into colorful looks or neutral looks, also comment down below. I just want to know what kind of content you guys would like to see from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!